Let's create some pillows in Blender. For the first pillow, start by pressing Shift-A to add a plane. In Edit mode, right-click to subdivide and in the properties, set the number of subdivisions to 21. Next, extrude the plane upwards. Then add a loop cut through the center and scale it slightly. In the physics properties, add cloth physics, then scroll down and enable pressure and set it to a value of 3. Under the field weights tab, set the gravity to 0. Now press play and pause it in a position you're happy with. Right-click to shade smooth. In the modifiers tab, add a subdivision surface modifier and apply both the modifiers to the object. Back in edit mode, select the center edge loop and press Command B to split the edge loop and then slightly extrude it inwards. To give it a material, add an image texture. And that's it. For the second pillow, follow the same procedure, add a plane and subdivide it 21 times. Then extrude it upwards and add a loop cut and scale it outwards. Right-click to shade smooth and add a subdivision surface modifier. In edit mode, under vertex select, turn on X-ray mode and select the center vertices. In the Data Properties tab, create a new vertex group and assign it. Select the center 4 faces and in the Physics Properties tab, add a cloth physics. Again, set the pressure to 3. Then in the Shape section, select the pin group as a vertex group we just created, and finally set the gravity to 0. Press Option E or Alt E and select Extrude Faces along normals and scale it down. Press play and stop with the position you're happy with. Apply all the modifiers. In the edit mode, bevel the center edge loop and extrude it inwards. Finally, set a new material to the object in the shader editor. UV unwrap the material if needed and you're all set. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and as always, thanks for watching.